Hi, Liam.
Hi.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
You're at the train park.
Cheese. Cheese.
Oh, don't say cheese. I'm not taking your picture.
Cheese.
Buddha Belly at the train park.
Cheese.
I'm not taking a picture. Let's go look at the
I
tower.
want to see.
Let's go look at the tower.
I want to see it. I want to look in the camera.
I know Liam loves the tower.
It's got electricity on it. It's got hurt. Let me see. Tower. Where's the electricity? Where?
It's inside the tower.
It's over here. When the tower was a big built tower.
I'm hoping a train comes and we can tape it for you.
Trains come soon.
I hope so.
Mommy, gonna take a picture of the railroad crossing.
I'd like to get a picture of the train coming right across there.
The train comes soon. Let's see a video taping track. The red train.
Well, hopefully that train will come soon.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.